Here's a 2018 Audi Q7. It's equally adept at the everyday luxury you'd expect, along with the spirit you crave. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, gas pressurized shocks, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com explains Audi has managed a high-tech presentation without a sacrifice in comfort or warmth. When you drive an Audi, the design and performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. Driving is believing. Test drive it today. We're proud to be a 10-time winner of Audi's prestigious Magna Award. We are conveniently located at 170 Main Dunstable Road in Nashua, New Hampshire, off Route 3 at Exit 5.